Good afternoon, YouTube. This is the before. We're going to be doing some custom landscaping starting this afternoon. We're going to get rid of all of these shrubs and make the lawn larger. So once these shrubs are out, this area will be filled with more sod, and then we're going to put more tropical plants around this palm here and trim him up because he's getting a little shaggy. His hairstyle is similar to mine. Now we're going to get rid of all of these ligustrum shrubs, which are not very happy right now, and replace them with some bottle brush and another variety to be determined. This is a good example for how they should look. These are some healthy ligustrum shrubs, and these shrubs actually could have been killed, believe it or not, by the spray. Whoever was spraying around them, looks like they've been getting sprayed regularly, and that shows you that spray could have killed these guys if you really want to know. So I'll talk to them about that. These shrubs, when they're young, are sensitive. Okay, let's check out the other side just to get the before so you can see the after. There's the before. We're here in beautiful St. Johns County. And here's the other side. We're gonna keep the two palms, the Robaline, trim him up, but we're gonna get rid of all of the ligustrums using my automatic shrub removal tool, also known as elbow grease. Stay tuned. Okay, quick update. And now those old shrubs are on the trailer. After using the automatic shrub removal machine, all of those shrubs are out. So this is the blank canvas. We're going to come in with some fresh plants and mulch. This area will be filled with sod. We're going to just bring it square here, just fill it in with sod, and put some tropical plants here. We're going to be putting in some dwarf bottle brush along the sides and some other cool stuff. Stay tuned. Quick update. And now the plants are staged. It is high noon, so I don't have the best light right now. And this project here in beautiful Ponte Vedra Beach. Ponte Vedra, Nocatee. Got some more bottle brush going on down here. These are the dwarfs. You can't call these bottle brush plants midgets. Tropicana, tropical. Stay tuned. With over 50 5-star ratings on Google, one of the biggest reasons is that we always replace the soil when we install new plants. And with our sod installation service, this is what makes all the difference. As you can see, the fresh soil is nice and rich. Looks like crumbled Oreo cookies. But the old soil, this stuff, now do you think you're gonna be able to get anything to grow in this stuff? You're probably not going to, but this stuff, this will give you that deep blue, green, deep, beautiful lawn that you always wanted. And we add our natural supplement, Milorganite. This is what we do, but the evening is the second best time. Tropical floral was the theme here. We put in the dwarf bottle brush. There's a dozen on both sides. We also put in the edging. And never to top everything off. The flowers in the front are pentas. And then the arbicolas, red sisters. And I forgot the name of these guys, but I just called them red sisters. Let's see.